Aston Martin DBX 707, the world's most powerful luxury SUV, and has begun to roar off the assembly line at St Athan, Wales. Inspected by the Secretary of State for Wales, Simon Hart MP, and Parliamentary Under-Secretary of State for Wales, David Davis MP, the very first DBX 707 customer car was completed today, with the benchmark-setting model set to be shipped to more than 50 countries around the world over the coming months. Proudly hand-built at the British ultra-luxury manufacturer's facility in St Athan, Wales, DBX 707 elevates Aston Martin to the pinnacle of the luxury SUV segment with a unique combination of blistering performance, supreme dynamics, unmistakable style, and absolute luxury. Providing immense power with its signature 707 PS, DBX 707 is capable of a maximum speed of 193 miles per hour and can reach 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds. The new DBX 707 is an SUV like no other, engineered with an abundance of character and compelling capability. DBX 707 is the ultimate SUV in every respect. More than 100 new skilled automotive technicians have been recruited by Aston Martin at St Athan to support the ramp-up of DBX 707 production, with the DBX model the first Welsh-built production car for almost 50 years. The Secretary of State for Wales, Simon Hart, said, "It's great to see the iconic Aston Martin brand roll off the production line here in Wales, before being exported to countries around the world." The success of the DBX 707 is testament to the highly skilled and hardworking team, and it's fascinating to see how they work.